Now you can see the layer that I made to place the stuffed cabbage on. If you don't have any leftovers cabbage, or you don't feel like going through this whole process, what you can do is take a can of sauerkraut and mix it with the onions, and this is going to be the layer. This is going to make it for the layer 2. And we're going to just place the stuffed cabbage gently one next to each other. It should be crowded around. You can see. And you can put one layer on top too. And if you need another layer, nothing is going to happen to it. You can put as many layers as you want, as long as it's all going to be covered with the sauce.